Learn properties of soil. Students, to understand the properties of soil, here given one activity. You have to do this activity and you can do this activity at home also. Okay, and you can understand the texture of the soil by this activity. Let us see what is meaning of soil texture. Soil contain particles of different sizes. The texture of the soil is determined by the proportion of particles. Proportion of particles means whether the particles are very small, then big and medium, all that. Okay. The various sizes in it. Following are the type of soil on the basis of its texture. First is a sandy soil. See, this is a sandy soil. It have large particles. It have large particles. Water drain rapidly through the sandy soil and it is easy to plug this soil. That means plantation is possible easily, but it is less fertile. That means the plant cannot grow properly in this soil because this particle of sandy soil are made up of mineral called silicon dioxide. These particles do not dissolve in water. That means water do not absorb more in this soil. Therefore, the soil has very little capacity to supply nutrients. The plant do not get supply from this soil. So, it is not fertile. Second is silt soil. Let us see what is silt soil. This is silt soil and you keep in your mind that this silt soil have medium sized particles, medium sized soil particles. Okay. And this silt soil is not pluggable as a sandy soil. That is difficult to planting this. Okay. However, it much more pluggable than clay soil. But it is more pluggable than this clay soil and easy. This soil contains a large proportion of organic material. Its capacity to supply nutrient is much greater. That means this soil contains more nutrients and water, okay, and organic materials. Silt soil is also called the sedimentary soil. Third point, clay soil. The clay soil is proportion of small particles, very fine particles, okay. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has high water holding capacity. That means this soil can absorb more water. Let us see the next point, soil structure. The structure of soil depends upon the different shape of the particles in it. Soil occurs in the form of this columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shaped. Okay. Importance of soil structure. The fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. The advantage of good soil structure as follows. Roots gets a sufficient supply of oxygen. Second, water drainage is good. Therefore, the roots of plant grow well. Uses of soil. Plant conservation. To help plant grow. Main use of the soil is plant conservation. Second, water conservation. Soil holds water. As a result, by means of bunds and lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Third point is plasticity. Students, we know that the soil can be given any required shape. You saw that things. Also, this properties of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of a variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, idol, bricks are articles made from soil. So idol means the statues. Okay. Next, some useful types of soil. Some useful types of soil. China clay. That's kaolin. It is white in color. It is used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, masks, jars, etc. Second is shadow soil. It is whitish in color. It is used for making statues and idols. Third, terracotta soil. Terracotta soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots used for growing plants are made up of this soil. Fourth is multani soil. This soil is used in cosmetics.